99 through 2007 Ford Focus, refrigerant 134A plus. That's the kind you need. First thing you're going to do, start the car, air conditioner on full with the recirc. Crank the wheel all the way to the right. Go over here. Passenger side. Take off this 9/16 and take off this fork right here. You can barely see it and there's not a lot of room for your hand, but those are the only two you got to remove. And then pull this plastic piece out. Just pull it back far enough so you can see the compressor. Okay, right here, front passenger tire, crank it all the way to the right. Point this little red arrow to what temperature it is outside. It's about 98, 99 today. And after you let off the trigger, it should be right between those two red lines. So I got to keep going a little bit more. Now, in order to take it off, just reach in there. Put the cap back on. Screw it on nice and tight. Push the fender well back in.